Hi,
Hey
good
everyone,
everyone. Good morning, good
afternoon, good
afternoon, good
evening,
evening sa inyo
wherever you
pong
are.
lahat, wherever you are. Nandito po ulit kami at ang pag-uusapan ho namin ngayon is about, well actually we're doing a go live for our video series on our quick answers for the curious mind. So we're now tackling about what if you're not comfortable, stepping out of your comfort zone. Okay, so
Ngayon,
ano yung ngayon?
today we're going to discuss. Oh,
Ayan, sige, tignan po. Okay, so welcome back to another engaging session where we tackle some of the frequently asked questions, like I told you, from our curious community. And today we're going to discuss a topic that a lot of people feel a bit uneasy about, that initial hesitation when it comes to putting yourself out there online. If you've ever felt that way, know that you're definitely not alone. Okay. Venturing into the digital world can feel like a big leap, and it's perfectly all right to take it at a speed that feels comfortable for you. Think of it as stretching your comfort zone. The key here is to ease it instead of just diving it head first. Your journey into the online space should be about confidence. Only take that plunge into sharing when you truly feel ready for it. Kagaya ho ng katulad ko, hindi ho ako nung nag-start ho ako dito, hindi ho ako marunong mag-online or mag-live. Takot ho ako. It took me to be on this community, to be getting online. At nag-ano ho ako, nag-YouTube, nag-faceless YouTube ako for how long? At talagang kahit anong push ho ako, kahit anong mga ibang business, kahit anong push nila akong mag-online, hindi ho ako nag-live. Ngayon lang ho ako nag I don't know how they got me into that comfort zone. I guess because I've seen my teammates at kagaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, uh, like-minded people work together better. Okay, so
alright.
uh, uh, at at kaya nga, here's something to lighten the load. Our platform wholeheartedly celebrates the idea of choice. Not everyone wants to be the star of the show, and that's totally fine. If you prefer a way to connect without putting your face up there, we've got some amazing faceless options for you,
Plat-
right?
Platform like
Like Pinterest and LinkedIn allow you to express yourself and build connections without needing to step into the spotlight. Hindi kasi alam ho ng asawa ko yung mga Pinterest at saka LinkedIn. Kaya
Yeah,
bago-bago ho lang yan siya dyan.
yeah,
Diba? Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
you're right.
you're right. So
I don't
the
know anything.
the beau- uh, the beauty, the beauty of it all, there's absolutely no pressure. Nasa sa inyo po yun. Just a world of possibilities. You can take your time to explore the vast array of social media platforms out there and uncover the ones that resonate with you. Whether you want to share ideas, connect with others, or just soak up information, the choice is yours. Kaya na nga sa inyo naman ho yun. Ako, ang choice ko is mine. Okay? So when you're ready, you can jump right in and discover those online spaces where you feel the most comfortable and at ease. Kaya ho yung iba, yung sinasabi nila na, I can't do what you're doing. So, ang choice ko ho na I got out of my comfort zone, that was my choice. And If I didn't want to get out of doing this live, it would have been my choice. I would not have gone out. Kaya nasa sa inyo po yun. Okay? We are not forcing you to do things what I've been doing or what others are doing. Meron po dyan, hindi man lang nag-live, ang kanilang business within our community are booming. At sinasabi ko sa inyo, there are 6 to 7 figure earner na hindi naman ho sila nag-live or whatever. Meron kaya nga yung mga tools and strategies, mga resources, makikita niyo po once you get in, they will actually present it to you. Wala hong transparency. Lahat ho sila pinapresent po nila yan. Sa amin po lahat. Okay? And once you get in, they will present that to you. Remember,
this digital journey is uniquely yours to create.
We're here to provide support and encouragement every step of the way. Lahat po kami. Together, we can navigate this exciting digital landscape at your own pace. So whenever you're ready to take a leap, know what we've got your back. And if you're looking for a great starting point, check out our website at
www.mariamoletaranza.com,
where you can watch our free 20-minute video. Now, ito hong free 20-minute video, meron hong 90-minute, may 20-minute. Libre ho yun na video. Sa iba hong mga teammate namin, merong 90 minutes. Sa akin ho kasi, iniba ko ho yung aking website. Nag-change ho ako dun sa summary video na 20-minute video na merong mga maraming testimonials din. But I can always, you can let me know kung mas gusto nyo ho yung mas mahabang video na 90-minute, I can always change it back to the 90-minute video at kasi ang feedback ko ng iba ng marami sa akin masyadong mahaba, kaya nag-change ako doon sa 20-minute. So but that's the reason why I put it to a free 20-minute video on mine. Okay, but it's packed with insights to help kickstart your journey towards success. So let's recap a bit. If you're feeling nervous about stepping into the online world,
take a deep breath
and understand that it's completely normal to feel apprehensive. The goal is to find your own rhythm, explore at your own pace, and utilize the different platforms that align with your comfort level. Platforms like, again, Pinterest, LinkedIn, offer you the chance to grow, connect, and share without the pressure of being in the limelight. You may know another platforms that you know of. We're all about fostering a supportive environment that encourages you to shape your digital path in a way that feels right for you. So get out there and explore, but make sure it's on your terms, not on other terms, not on other people's terms. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to check out our website at
www.mariamoletaranza.com.
There you go. Naku, nare-remember din ng papa ko yung aking website. Okay? Yeah. And remember, your journey to success starts right here. Let's grow together. And until next time, take care and see you soon.
Okay, www.mariamoletaranza.com. Natatandaan ko na. Tandaan nyo rin po.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye po.